Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change color temperature on your Finlux 39 FHF 5150. So in order to do that, we'll need to press the home button on our pilot. It's located right here. Press it once, and now in order to navigate this menu, you will need to press the arrow keys on your pilot. They should be in the middle. Now navigate up till you find the settings. From here press OK and go to the right and find System. From here go to the left and scroll down till you see the advanced settings. Now press OK, and from here go to color temperature and press the right arrow. You'll be able to change the color temperature from normal to warm to custom, and then scroll down and you can do it the custom way, however you want. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.